Hi, today I'm for the OnePlus Nord CE Lite and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see ringtone volume panel, so just to mute ringtone you should slide to the left side ringtone volume panel. These dots on ring volume panel. So also we get one more way how we could do that with the help of the volume buttons, but first to use volume buttons to change the ringtone we should scroll down to more section, then tap to volume buttons, switch media to ringtone, and now with the help of the down volume button, by press to the down volume button we could change the ringtone volume and we could mute it. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.